Happy Memorial Day. This is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, as you can see, I'm chilling today, y'all. I got my hat on, so I hope y'all don't mind. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this video. So today I am going to be making something for Father's Day. All right, so what I'm going to be making is these canvas. I'm going to be using one of these 5-pack canvas panels. Now I got these at Five Below. I think that's where I got these, Five Below, and it comes in, it has 5 in a pack for $3.25. Now I have a link in the description box to Amazon if you would like to purchase them from Amazon. You know, Amazon, you can just order it online and they will ship it to you instead of you getting, going out of the house to go and purchase these. But either way, this is what I'm going to be using. Right, so I'm going to be using my Epson ET2760 sublimation converted sublimation printer in order to sublimate a picture onto these canvases. All right, now I'm going to be doing a picture of my husband. I think I'm going to do one of him and my girls when they went to a father-daughter date, or I may do one of my girls, just my girls on here. All right, so that's what we're going to be using. And as you can see right here, the dimensions are already on here, which is the it's the measurements. So it's an 8x8, and of course you can, if you want to do it down a little bit, if you want to go down to 7, maybe 7.5, 7.25, however you want to do it, you can do that also. But these are the dimensions, which is an 8x8, and I think I may leave it at 8x8, okay, because it will fit on the entire canvas. All right, so I'm going to go into Canva, show you the picture that I'm going to be using. I'm going to print it out on my sublimation printer, and we're going to go ahead and put it on this canvas. All right, super excited. All right, everyone, so I am in Canva, and I just wanted to show you where you go and change your settings, okay? Your customize your size, and it is right here where it says create a design. All right, I just went in here and I clicked on it and it came up, and I just put, make sure you use inches, okay, because it has all the different ones, so you want to make sure you use inches. But I just went ahead and put 8x8. All right, as you see right here, 8 width and 8 height. Okay, just go ahead and click it. All right, so as you see, it came up, and it is it looks just like the canvas that I have. Again, this is 8x8. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to the left hand side and pull the picture. All right, so now I'm going to go down to where it says uploads, and I'm going to go here and find the picture that I'm going to be using. Now this is one of the ones that I was telling you about. I don't know if I'm going to use that one. I think I'm going to use this one. All right, so this is one that I have on my husband and my girls, and I think I'm going to use this one. All right, so I'm going to size it to the size of the canvas so that it will be on the entire canvas. And what you do to get that done, you just go right here to where you see these little circles, and as you see, once you place the cursor at the circles, it will show the little arrow. You can go up with it. I don't know why mine it's not doing right. Okay, you can go up, or you can click right here on the sides, or you can go, from side to side with it. Okay, all right, and you can pull it down, then you can pull it up, however you want to do it. All right, y'all, I changed my mind just that quick, and it's okay to do that. All right, so I decided to use this picture. I think this picture is absolutely gorgeous, and I think it's going to really look good on the canvas that I'm going to use. So I'm going to use this picture instead. All right, and I'm just going to go here to where it says share, click on it, then I'm going to go down to download. All right, go here to where it says file type, go down to PDF print. Okay, because I want to print it. Okay, all righty, everything is okay. I don't want to flatten it or any of that. I'm going to click on download. All right, so now it come up here, and so I'm going to go here because I want to print it on my sublimation printer. I'm going to go click on the printer button here, and I'm going to wait for it to load right here, which sometime it may take a little while. It just depends on your computer and your internet service, okay? So it's already on my Epson ET2760 sublimation machine here. All right, so make sure everything is good, and then just go ahead, make sure all your settings are where they're supposed to be. The quality should be at the highest, which is 720. I want mine to fit to paper, all right? All right, so just make sure everything is like you want it. Make sure you flip horizontally, which you see I clicked that. Okay, and then you can just go ahead and make sure everything is the way you want it and print it out. All right, so make sure when you get to this page, to the area here, make sure everything, you have it on letter. I always use premium presentation paper matte. All right, and then you go down here and you can choose best quality, high quality, or however you want. I'm gonna do high quality, and then you can go here and just continue to, you know, put everything the way it should be. Okay, I'm gonna do Adobe RGB. All right, the gamma should be the highest. All right, and all right, just go down here and check and make sure everything is the way it should be. All right, I'm gonna use that. All right. All right, so I trimmed down the white edges of my design. Here is my canvas, so let me show you how to place it on there. All right, so just make sure everything is aligned just like so. All right, and as you see, the 8x8 worked for the dimensions, all right, for the size. All right, so I just want to place it, you know, make it look neat here. All right. Okay, so just take your heat tape and just place it on here to hold your design down. All right, and there's many ways that you can apply heat tape. You know, one way is no better than the other. Just make sure that it's down. Okay, so I'm just gonna take mine and go all the way around my picture just like this. All right, this is the way I'm gonna do mine. I have my Better Sub heat press heated up because I'm going to use it, and I place some butcher paper down on my heat press, and that is just to keep any ink, which I know it probably won't because I have the canvas, but you know, I just want to be safe from going onto my heat press. Okay, all right, and I have the heat press that I use linked in the description box below also. So let me just take the edges right here just like this. All right, I hope you can see what I'm doing. Alrighty, so we're gonna go over here and we're going to heat this up, and we're gonna see how it looks. All right, let's go to the heat press. All right, so I have my heat press set at 300 for 60 seconds. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put my canvas here. I have this little sheet of paper here that I'm just gonna place on top of it, just like this. I'm gonna go ahead and press it. All right, y'all, so it is finished. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to take it off. As you can see the picture coming through. All right, so we're gonna see how it looks. All right, make sure you be careful because it still is a little hot. All right, so make sure you have your heat gloves. Ouch. All right, so let's take it off and see. All right, hopefully it took, because the design is a little, the picture that I had is a little, a lighter picture. Okay, so let me go ahead and remove this. Be careful. I'm just using my little pick here to take it off. All right, but look, y'all, it turned out beautiful. All right, y'all. So look how it turned out. It is beautiful. I love, love, love it. Now, it's not as dark because the picture that I used was a little light. But as you see, it's like one of those, I don't know, what do you call it? Not ombre. It's like a lighter type picture. It's not one of those darker ones, but it is absolutely gorgeous, as you can see right here. Now there's a little yellow here. I don't know if that comes from, I'm not trying to, I don't know where that came from, but it's just a little yellow there and there, okay? But I did heat it at 300 for 60 seconds. So it just depends on your heat press, all right? Or your heat source, whichever heat source that you're using. But I love it. And I'm going to put it on one of those little stands that I have, the little stands that hold up canvases. And guess what? My husband is getting this for Father's Day, okay? So I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would love to have you a part of the Ieasha Designed It family, all right? Where we learn and we grow, all right? So I hope that you all have a happy Memorial Day. And again, this is something that you can make for your husband, your dad, your granddad, your uncle, your brother, any special man in your life. Again, this is what I'm making for Father's Day. This is the Father's Day idea, and I will be coming back with some more Father's Day ideas, all right? So you all have a blessed day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.